We are here at the iconic Venray Raceway, and this is a destination that you've seen a couple of times before, but not like this. This is Bimmerfest 2026. We're here on the stand then, and this year we've bought a different array of cars. We obviously have our G80 M3 with our split rims on it, which has drawn a load of attention across the weekend. The wheels are leery enough that they fit in so well here. It's been a treat to have it. We've also got the guys at Kits with their G82 M4. They joined us last year with it, made a couple of revisions since, but the car still looks amazing, and because of the colour, it stands out no matter what. But yeah, love having that. And then we've brought our F87 M4. Obviously, Laguna Seca Blue is quite a special individual, so again, lots of people have come by asking what colour it is. But like I say, here at Bimmerfest 26, it's been absolutely awesome. What a day. This show gets more attention than any show we get in the UK, so it's awesome to attend. But yeah, let us know what you think of the show as a whole.
Right, in front of me we have the BMW4. To my left, this is what we carry in stock. We carry these 19, 20 and 21 inch. This is basically a forged wheel that is kept raw. We do that for a number of different reasons. One, it gives us flexibility. We can machine drill what's needed. Two, color choices. Some people might want satin black, some people might want neodyme gold, some people might want silver. And lastly as well, we actually have country of origin UK. This wheel is brought into the country in this state as a raw material. We drill, machine the back pad and powder coat, which basically gives us that country of origin UK, which is actually really good for our export customers. There's quite a lot of weight taken out the wheel, basically to give it as much lightness and strength as possible, but still keeping form as well as function. To the right, you're going to see a bit more of this wheel in the vlog. It's our second set of 19 inch, but it's our first set we're really going to start to push. So we're offering this wheel here from In stock, 19, 20, 21 inch. We've done some 23s and 22s, so we'll be featuring them very soon. Some 23s on an XM, which look quite good. And this set here is for an F87 M2. Don't know what color the car is, but we'll see that very soon. This one here is the 10.5 rear, finished in the carbon gray. Weighed as it is now, with the powder coating on, it is 9.7 kilograms. Now we get a number of the weights out of the wheel. If you look at the way the spoke is machined, that's one thing. Look at the back pans, you can see how deep they are there. We managed to go into the actual wheel and pull as much as we can out. Now we can actually make the wheel lighter. By doing that, we will reduce some of the strength. We don't really want to do that. This wheel load rating is 790. If you look online, most other people that manufacture lightweight wheels go to 690. Now the problem is with that is that was okay 5 to 10 years ago. Cars weren't as heavy and they weren't as quick, but going forward, cars are heavy and they are really fast now. So it's about getting the strength in. So it's being as strong as possible and as light as possible, but still giving us, concave and the look that we want. All these wheels are FEA tested. Basically what that means is we have to put them on a simulator before they're made to point out the strengths, the weaknesses, the strong points, and of course the low points. We do that to basically show real world forces, vibrations and movement on a wheel, basically giving you complete confidence knowing that the wheel is strong enough for the job. Excited to see how they look like on the F87. Any more information, if you want me to go a bit more in depth on that sort of stuff, please just let me know and reach out. Like I say, wheels are in stock, custom fitments are available. If you have a particular car that you are thinking about putting them on, let us know. They are available now for G20 as well. Just remember, front of a G20 is an 8.5, so you're not going to get as much concave, but we are now opening it up to the G20 family as well. Any more information, just please ask and I'll be able to help out.
You've seen us at Bimmerfest then across the weekend just gone. What an absolutely amazing show. It's always so good to see the higher level of show when you go over into Europe. The amount of people that attend is crazy. In the bay this week though, we have a G81 M3 in frozen black, something a little bit different, and it looks amazing. The customer's gone ahead and put 1000M wheels in gold on the car, and against the black they look awesome with a full carbon kit. Obviously, day in the bay, so we have gone over the whole entire car. Now it's frozen, so we can't machine it as much, but we've spent a lot of time on the interior and other parts, and it's come together like a treat. But let's show you around the car and take a look at what else we've had in this week. Behind me is one of my personal favourites. Now, I know Mike's already talked you through the specs of the wheels, so we won't go too much into that. But as for the car itself, what a stunner. Mineral white OG M2. You don't see many of these at all, especially none as clean as this one. It's got a couple of carbon accents on it just to help boost the look. The car itself is gorgeous, and one thing that I will pick up on, it's got a sunroof. I love a sunroof. Well, that is one thing that you cannot convince me on. All the new M cars, why do you need a carbon roof for the road? The car itself then, like I say, OG M2, it is lowered, it's on I-back springs, and we have the MW4 wheels. The customer reached out and we were debating whether to go with neodyme gold or carbon grey. And I do think there was one obvious answer for this car. One would have been a bit too striking. So without further ado, let's get it on the ramp and get the wheels fitted up.
Behind me we have a really nice example of a São Paulo yellow M3 Touring. Now, when this colour first came out, I guess it was a launch colour on the M4, we thought we'd see more of them, but it hasn't been that popular. I think you can even get them on the new M2 as well now. But this really stood out. When we knew the car was coming in, it already had the wheels, we'd already mailed on to them. These are 20-inch front, 21-inch rear MW4s finished in the standard silver. It has this real nice pop against the colour of the car. When we saw the car pull into the car park, we knew we had to film with it. Car's actually booked in for the BMW height adjustable spring kit. This is a 4 height adjustable spring kit. It gives you flexibility. Now, the car doesn't look like it's a lot lower than factory. It's about another 10 mil and 5 mil at the rear, but these will compress. So in about a week, 2 weeks time, we will get the customer back in for final adjustments. But expect to see this car probably about another 5 mil lower at the back and probably another 10 mil on the front after it's done some miles. What a great looking car. Wheels look perfect, 1010 on offset and fitment. Yet again, paired up with the Yokohamas, keeps that ride. Really nice. I think this customer should go for a Remus exhaust next. With which tailpipe? Gloss black. For me, it'd have to be the chrome. Let us know what you think down below.
The sun has come out for us this afternoon then, and we finally finished up with the OG M2. Carbon grey was the choice all day long. With the carbon kit on the car, the contrast between the white and the grey works so well. It's got an aggressive diffuser on it, and the M Performance exhaust sounds phenomenal. Honestly, I wish they still made cars that sounded as good as this. This, in my opinion, is one of the best sounding M cars to date. None of the new stuff sounds anywhere near as good as this does. It sounds phenomenal. But yeah, wheels are on, sitting nice on the springs, full carbon kit on it. What a lovely car.